Hello everyone, so welcome to my channel, that's Learn with Pranjal. Today we are going to learn how to change the size of text or font. First of all, here you can see there's a shape. I will select the shape and I will change the font size, and you can see you can change it like whichever size you want. I will change it to 28, and then whichever you like it, you can put it. Let's consider I am choosing this one right now. So this is the text font theme that I've selected, and the size you can see. Now you can see that the thing that is font was missing, so I bought the font also together. See, understood? I hope this was helpful. Now with this I'm also gonna show you how to fill color in this. See, color filling, come here, put this, and whichever color you like you can decide it. Let's consider I am choosing this one, and orange is not suiting this color of shape, so I will change it to white. Now same with this one, you can choose it or you can just select this. I'm showing you to the second way to do this. Select this part, and also you can change the style, like font of the text. I've decided this one. Then I can also change the size, and also there is one more trick, that is you can increase it, or decrease it with this help. And here I can also select the colors. You can see I have selected here red, orange, red, etc. This color, and also you have more colors. If you see here, you can also select from here. Custom colors are also available. You can go in this and you can select your suitable colors. I hope this video was helpful to you, and again I will fit this into the text. Okay, wait a minute. I'm going to select this, and I'm going to decrease this. So I hope this has come into its proper shape. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you very much for watching this video on my channel. Meet you in the next video. Bye bye.